Casey here back again. New year, new decade, but no new Casey. I'm the same me, baby. This year, we're starting off 2020 right. With all new financing programs on the Sportsman 570, you can get this bad boy for 99 bucks a month. Remember the last time we built the Sportsman together? Seems just like yesterday when I touched the heated. Oh! That's still hot! Anyway, this time is different. We've not only added new colors, like the red and titanium, but when you buy a Sportsman through us, you get the tryout for our football team too. But not really. But what we will give you is a chance to win a gift card from us, ranging anywhere from $25 to $100 by throwing a football through one of these 3 holes. You guys know the deal by now. You want a Sportsman 570? Come in for our New Year's sales event and see your boy, Casey.